Hello Norma and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that can really help you boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. I will be covering the website, the content, the Google business profile, and something that we call backlinks. So let's start with your front page and your home page. So I can see here that the website has three pages, so the home page and two back pages. I like it that you have it in English and Spanish. I can see here the picture that you have of a job that you have performed, the different services that you provide, a brief intro of the company and the areas that you serve, and the contact details over here, and you have some testimonials and the contact us form. So there are a few things that you could actually do. You could have a click to call button at the top. You could have a contact us form at the top as well, so just make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. You could include a description of the services that you provide and the materials that you use. You could make the contact details a little bit bigger and add them at the footer of your website so that they appear in every single back page of your website. And basically have more content, because right now your front page has 235 words, and to be optimized for Google you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. Istueta Roofing, these guys have 1,914 words, and TNS Roofing Systems, these guys have 755 words. So definitely an opportunity for you worth exploring is just throwing in more content filled with and sprinkle buyer intent keywords throughout your website, so that Google can, when the Google crawl your website, can understand what your website is about, and they can find you for those particular buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is that I came here to the Google search and I type in roofing Miami, and the first section that we see is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Then the next section is the Google Maps, and this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp. And the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those of your Google business profile, so that Google can verify those details and you can grab one of these top 3 positions. And then you need then the next section is the Google Organic Search. And here, to rank at the top, you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now, I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 6 external websites pointing or directing traffic towards your website through 9 backlinks. If I have a look at Istueta Roofing, these guys have 467 referring domains, external websites directing traffic towards their website through 1,700 backlinks, and TNS, they have 297 referring domains directing traffic through 1,500 backlinks. So definitely an opportunity there is just to strengthen this backlink profile, because the backlink profile is one of the mechanisms and one of the factors that Google has to actually identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. And also, just bear in mind that it's important to have those backlinks in websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, so that you can actually signal to Google that your website and your company is an authority in that particular topic. Now, in terms of organic keywords, your website is not being found for organic keywords, so that relates to the content. If I have a look at Istueta, these guys are being found for 523 keywords. In this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position the website is appearing in the Google search for that particular keyword. So if we look at the buyer intent keywords, so for example, roof repair Miami has a search volume of 350, and because they're in the second position, they were able to drive 45 visits to their website. Miami Roofing, they're in the third position. The search volume is 300, and they had 38 visits to their website. For example, Roofing Miami has a search volume of 90 searches per month, and because they're in the first position, they were able to drive close to 30% of the traffic. So basically, the message here is that you want to maximize the number of times your website is in front of potential customers, because in that sense, a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your conversion rate, you will be able to land as new customers. And the way to do that is to target these keywords with higher search volumes and include them in the content of your website. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video and that you find it insightful. Please feel free to use this information to boost the traffic to your website. And also, please, I would appreciate if you could please give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.